another YouTube video. It's the end of 2021, and I wish I could say that it was better than 2020. It has been, but by like this much. Like this much. It has not been a very good year. So, I am hoping that you guys will enjoy the upcoming video, which is a series of bloopers and outtakes from the YouTube videos from the past year. And if you know anything about me, you know that I am indeed a silly human being, and I like to put my fuck-ups, my mistakes, I like to put them on camera, I like to put them out there into the world so that everyone can enjoy them. Because I see way too many people on YouTube that are like serious and goth, and like they don't want to show that they make mistakes, they fuck up sometimes, they're silly behind the, you know, they're trying to present some sort of facade. And you can be many things. You can be goth and silly. Or like a lot of other things. So, you know, this is me and my friends fucking up for your enjoyment. Here we go. Go. No. Oh, Jesus. Are you dead? No. Perfect. Okay, there's one for the blooper reels. Holy shit. So Mary immediately talked me into using a pattern for these little bloomers. So my life is about to get a lot more complicated, and I am not sure that I now have enough fabric. So I don't know, you guys, wish me luck. Go!
What if I don't wish you luck?
Screw you, then you're not getting any bloomers.
Wait, I want bloomers. I wish you luck!
Thank you, Jessica!
No touching. Okay, we gotta get ready
I
for
know,
our thing.
you're so pretty, I can't quit touching you. Are you a gassy bat?
Yep! The fuck are you looking at?
Exactly. Jessica has too much gas and bat rage for this video.
Thought I was working with professionals.
You, my dear, was sadly mistaken.
Balls.
Sure not professional. Alright. Hey. Someone actually messaged me on Instagram and said, Bob is such a fine gentleman, and I replied with, fine. Gentleman. Oh god, what is it doing? What is it doing? No, it's filming. It's filming my hand.
Uncomfortably close.
Hi, Jessica. Pause the video, Jessica.
Fuck you, Missy!
Pretty awesome.
Right? I love it. Just dance through the background. Dance through the background. Right? Oh yeah, go sit in the chair, that's fine.
You want me to shake your head or no?
Alright, let's showcase our outfits. Yes?
Is it on?
What? Is it on? Is it on? You good? Okay.
No.
Yes?
You're not good. You're evil.
Don't tell them.
I think they know.
Don't tell them. Sweet weenie face.
I'm too tired for your bullshit.
Solid. It is some solid 6 a.m. bullshit.
None of your bullshit is solid, but especially not at 6 a.m.
Vibrator from the couple next door.
Really?
Full start?
Are you fucking being serious?
I don't know what that is.
So I can think now, thank you.
I know! Holy, somebody's having a good time over there.
It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning, Jesus.
Gotta do it early, I guess.
Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Cha-cha.
I need a raise.
I need a raise.
Gotta deal with the insanity of you, man.
Yeah, that's fair. Can I pay you a white girl booth?
I mean, probably.
Excellent.
Wine?
All right.
You fucker! You motherfucker! I thought you had more to say.
Waiting now. See you for my next fabulous YouTube video. Magical spin and run on the screen.
a hypno raccoon. He's making you like and subscribe right now. Can you feel it? Do it. Slinky says do it. Do it. Can you say no to this face? No, you can't. Bye, everybody. Bye.
All right, so welcome to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that. I really do. There wasn't as many this year as there usually is because fucking COVID was the entire year, so we didn't get to go around on as many cool, like, vlogs and stuff as we normally do, which is where a lot of the outtakes come from. But anyway, it is what it is. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope it gave you a laugh because God knows we all need laughs, like, right now. Anything that makes you feel better, take it where you can get it. And I hope this showed you not to take yourself too seriously, too. Like, be a silly human being. Be who you are. Fuck what everybody else thinks. It's okay to make mistakes. And I hope this helped you with it. So if you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to follow me on all the things, I have all of them. I have Instagram, Facebook, Depop, I don't know, Ko-fi, Twitter, TikTok, I don't know, everything. Anyways, we're going to list them all in the description below so you can follow me on all the things. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media if you want to. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all around for my Christmas present haul next week. Stay tuned.